I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gemini and picking the contact or pasting the meeting link. This immediately creates the call session. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so audio and video stream correctly. If you're on mobile, switch to Wi-Fi for stability. On desktop, select the correct input devices in settings before joining. Make sure to test a quick preview to verify framing and sound, because that prevents awkward restarts and keeps the meeting professional from the first second. You now control the call experience. Tap the camera icon to flip between front and back cameras and use mute to cut background noise instantly. For presentations, select Share Screen, pick the window or tab, then enable system audio so listeners hear media. If your connection wavers, reduce video quality or enable background blur to save bandwidth. This keeps voices clear and reduces dropped frames. Remember to pin a speaker or spotlight a participant when you need focus on one person. You finish by tapping End Call and verifying any recording has saved to your account or device. If someone drops, rejoin using the original link or send a fresh invite. Reconnection is quick when you keep the link handy. If audio or video fails, restart the app, recheck camera and mic permissions, and try another network. Mobile hotspot or wired Ethernet often resolves persistent problems. One reliable tip: rebooting the device clears locked resources and usually restores normal call behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.